So last one factors. What are the factors affected the climate of India? The first one is latitude, distance from sea, wind, position of the mountains. The last one is gestings. What is meant by the gestings? The gesting is the upper layer of the atmosphere is known as a gestings. Upper layers. So the gestings, the fast moving of the wind. Gesting is the fast moving of the wind in a narrow zones of the upper atmosphere. The main part, the fast moving of the wind flow in the narrow zones in the upper atmosphere. The onset of the southwest monsoon wind is derived by the shift of the subtropical westerly gestings from the plains of India towards the Tibet plateaus, mainly for the fast moving of the wind flowing in the near far wind is gesting or wind. The fast moving of the wind narrow on the upper zones of the upper layer. The onset of the southwest monsoon wind. The southwest monsoon wind derived from the shift of the subtropical westerly gesting the form from the plains of the India towards the Tibet plateaus. The easterly gestings, the cause tropical depressions, both during southwest monsoon and radiating monsoon. You know that the radiating monsoon, also known as a northeast monsoon, are coming back to monsoons. So this is the very important. Another one is the 2.2 monsoons. 2.2 monsoon. What is meant by the monsoons? The monsoon is an Arabic word. The monsoon is an Arabic word. The Maushindam, which means the seasons. Maushindam, which means of the seasons. And originally the wind monsoons was there. Originally the monsoon wind originally. The Arab navigator several century years ago, to describe the system of the seasonal reversal of wind, along the source of the Indian Ocean, especially over the Arabian Sea, The monsoon was used by the Arab navigator in several century years ago to describe the system of the seasonal reversals of the wind along with the source of the Indian Ocean, especially over the Arabian Sea. So over the Arabian Sea, it flows from the southwest. It flows from the southwest to northeast in the summer seasons. Another one is this wind in the flow from the northeast to southwest in the winter seasons. Wind is called a winter season. So the two important questions. One is what is meant by gestings. Another one is what is meant by the monsoons. The monsoons, the Arabic word, the monsoon, which means seasons. The Arab navigators, the several cities describe the system of the seasonal reversal of the wind. The meteorological have developed a number of concepts for the monsoons, about the origin of monsoons. The meteorological department has a lot of concept about the origin of monsoon. the according to the dynamic concept, mainly for the dynamic concept. Monsoon wind originated due to the seasonal migration of the planetary wind, and the pressure belt following the position of sun. The pressure belt following position of the sun. So high temperatures areas that places low pressures created. So for examples, high temperature in Delhi, high temperature that areas low pressure created. High temperature in the low pressure, high pressure in the is low temperatures formed. That is over your positions of the sun. That is the positions of the sun. During the summer solstice, the sun plays vertically over the Tropic of Cancer. During the summer season, the sun plays the fall in the vertically over a Tropic of Cancer. Therefore, all the pressure and the wind belt, of the global shift of the northwest. Okay, thank you. So in this topic mainly for the what is mean by monsoons, originated the Arabic word, mausim meaning the season, the Arabic navigators they describe the seasonal winds, the system of the alternative wind. Another one is the main concept of the dynamic concept. The monsoon wind originated due to the seasonal migrations of the planetary winds and the pressure belt, the following position of the sun. So it depends mainly for the positions of the sun. So next topic, intertropical convergence zones. Thank you.